Everyone. Hey everyone, Kai is here from the Emerald Minecraft, and I'm here with Kazi, my sister, and today I'm gonna play Fran Bow for Android. I'm just gonna play the demo. The full version is only for PC. The demo is only for free, and now let's continue.
It's Fran Bow.
Continue. Fran Bow, new game
Called Mr. Midnight.
Shh. Everything is fine. It feels like heaven. I see my parents. I'm gonna screenshot it. They look happy. They have a present for me. I wonder.
It's a kitty cat.
It's Mr. Midnight. It's a cat, so sweet and pretty. I know that's Mr. Midnight, right?
Yeah.
Dark as the deepest night. It's Mr. Midnight. Yay! So cool. So cute. My best friend. My only friend. We are having dinner and see Aunt Grace too. I really like her a lot. It's Friday. My parents are going out. Aunt Grace takes good care of me. We are having so much fun. It's Monday night. I'm playing with Mr. Midnight. But something feels real bad. Oh no, that's a devil thing.
Yeah. There's a creature outside to my window.
A strange creature outside my window. It's the darkest night.
Close your blood.
I don't like it. It scares me.
Yeah.
Suddenly, I hear something.
My parents are shouting.
Shh. It's Mom screaming. I'm so scared.
Yeah.
I want to know what's wrong. Also, guys, my volume's so high. A heavy light shines from my parents' room. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be scary. I go closer. Oh my gosh. No, please, no.
No.
And closer. No, do you? Oh my gosh. Mom? Dad? Oh my gosh. No, please don't. No. No, Mommy, Daddy. No, Dad's gone. Mom's gone. But where's Aunt Grace? Where's Aunt Grace? Where's Mr. Midnight? They run away from the house. Oh my gosh.
It's a bloody house.
Oh my gosh. What happened to them? Oh my gosh.
Mr.
Midnight, don't leave her. Bite them. I said bite them. Don't leave Fran Bow. Bite all of the people who takes Fran Bow. Fran, please follow my voice.
You will download.
To the court of 3, you will wake up. 1, 2, 3.
No, like this. Puka.
3.
No, like this. Puka.
Nothing. Fran Bow, how do you feel?
Yeah.
I'm fine, I guess. I'm fine, I guess. Just sad to be the same. Sadness is nothing. Everything was within. I'm gonna show this to my friend. Let me screenshot it. I want to find the killer. I want to go home.
Kuya.
I want to find the killer.
Kuya.
I really want to know who killed my parents. The police are working on it.
Kuya. You'll download that game in Mommy's iPhone, so I'll play with it.
I'll find Mr. Knight. No, my cat. Nobody does anything. I'll find the killer and my cat. Your cat is missing. It would be impossible to get him back. What is it? But now I got something for you, Fran. Oh, really?
Yeah.
See the desk there. There's a little package for you. It's from Aunt Grace. Take it.
Ooh, I like it.
Where is it?
Just open the door.
It's a thing. It's a purse. Open it. There is something inside. Oh, what's this?
A paper.
I'm gonna examine it. I'm gonna examine.
Wait.
Dearest friend, here is a no. She is worried about you. And I'm worried too. I'm worried too because I'm not mad and still here. Stop it. You are out of control, young lady. Can't I leave now? Can I leave now? Yes, you can leave, but before you do, this is the for you new medicine. What medicine? No more medicine. What medicine?
What pills?
This called Dotine. Dotine, maybe. It will make you very relaxed, nurse. Nurse!
A pills.
Anything, nurse. Everything new today, Dr. Dern. Nothing actually. Same visions and as before. Oh, I see. Here, Fran, take your medicine.
That's the pills.
Give me the best. It's pills. Give me those pills. Don't feel good. I don't feel good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's raining meat. Oh no. Take her back to her room.
Because she can't feel. Because.
A nurse, don't let her take this ever again. Beware, Fran Bow. If you leave the house of madness. Also, guys, I also forgot. We're gonna play only for 14 minutes. I will hunt you, catch you, and bring you back to insanity. Gosh, it's rain. Fran, wake up. Oh, it's Mr. Midnight. The medicine will help you escape. Open your eyes. I'll be waiting for you in the forest. I love you. Open your eyes. Buka! Stop saying buka. There's nothing. Chapter 1. Sober days. I'm still here. Hideous place. I have to get out of here.
It's creepy.
Then I'm gonna do it again.
That's that thing.
No. I'm gonna... What the... Where's the note?
Because you're not reading it.
Okay, let's look around. Wait, what's this?
A toy.
Oh, sweet melody.
It's a toy.
Okay, look around. I just woke up. I'm not that floppy. Look, good reason to get curious.
You take the pills.
Just wait, I don't have any pills. Red and Tiny, you are hiding from me. Letters equal numbers. Number. I hate the monster with the mask. I have to find Mr. Midnight. I have to find him now. I miss my kitty. He hides because he is afraid again. He is afraid. Wait. He is afraid. He is afraid. He told me that the medicine would show me where he is. What? 1A23D5 6G89. I'm gonna write that code. Maybe that's important. A23D5 6G age 9. Okay. Remember. What should I remember? Was that a real boy? It's a treasure chest. Oh ho. A secret box. Use it. A key. This is certainly opens. Wait. Yeah. It certainly opened. I hope somebody loves you. My crayons. It's crayons. Use it. Oh my god. Are you serious?
Where was your pills?
Green is my favorite color.
Where was the pills?
There's no pills. I used to leave a blue dress like yours. If I sit down, I will eventually get stuck.
Where's the pills?
Okay, let's get the boy. There's no pills, okay?
Yeah.
It's still not here.
It will come
Hello,
later.
boy. No. Hello. How? Know any way out? No, do you know any way out? There are many ways out. Everything's
Everything is lovely.
indeed. But everything will open from the office. But how to get there? He doesn't want me to tell you. Who doesn't want to tell me? He doesn't want to tell him. Oh no, there's something there. Oh my gosh. No, my gosh. It's him. It's him again. All doors are closed. You are prisoner of my games.
Can you give me my stuffs?
And nobody will help you escape. Leave me alone, I hate you. Oh my gosh, friends. Don't cry. Mommy, Daddy, I need you so much right now. Let's go there. Maybe she's in a mental hospital. No, I won't let that monster stop me. Let's go outside.
Here again.
Of course, it's locked. Just use this key. The key's too tiny. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a thing. My legs are just fine. Oh, a wooden Mr. Horse. Are you having a good time?
It's
Hide. Close it. Oh. Open. Open! Maybe 3, 5, 6. Is it? No. Open. What am I gonna use? Let's examine it. Paper is indeed very... I don't know what to do right now. Let's try to use this. This box has no keyhole. No, I don't want to return to menu. What are we going to do? Lock. Good reason to get curious. Use it. Use with these things. Okay. Yes, I got it. And there is something inside. Oh, a thing. Use with. Examine. Aw, that's his mother and father and Aunt Grace and Mr. Midnight. Let's go here. Let's try to go here. No. Just try to use this. No, nothing.
why you still sick?
Use this thing here. If I were bigger, I could take it. Use it here. It fits, but there are 2 holes. I need something else. What will I gonna use? Name Fran Bow. It's ages 10, just like me. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye.